very good evening to all of you. And as you all know, today we are going to be with Amjad Habib. So let's all welcome Amjad Habib today to the show. Hi, Amjad.
Hi, good evening, Magvi.
Good evening. And today, Luxury meets renowned hairstylist Amjad Habib, who's a chemical expert, creator, director, and he's trained more than 4.5 lakh students and almost 25,000 over India and abroad. So you're going to break the record someday, I feel.
I think life is meant to break the records, and I keep on doing it.
Wonderful. So, this is the third time that we are meeting on a platform like this, Samjit. I don't know if you remember, many years back, we did an event with a BJP Redu Gupta, Councillor MCT, and Vijay Goyal ji. And we had Mr. Berry, we had Virat Kohli being there on that
Right,
event, and also a guest of honor held by us. I'm not sure if you
right.
remember that many years
Yeah, I
back.
do remember. I do remember.
Yeah. Right. And then second was, I've been conducting workshops at the British Council and Oxford Bookstore. So
Right.
you need to tell your story, your journey. And this is the
I
third
think
one
that,
now.
I think that was done in Connaught Place. I think some in bookshop. You remember?
Yeah, Oxford Bookstore. And I'm really privileged and honored to have you here on Madhi's Luxury Podcast, which is my own talk show series which I've been doing with distinguished celebrities from all over the world. So real pleasure and honor hosting you here today.
Thank you so much, Magvi.
And I think today we are color coordinated by also wearing something in the green shade, and even I'm wearing a green outfit.
I think, yeah, I think cool. The green is always the cooler, and during the summer, I think I prefer to wear a green.
Great. Wonderful. I would love to know your journey. The audience would love to know that, all about your journey and story, that how you got into this profession. Is it your passion or is it because of the family legacy that you look
I think, Magvi, I never wanted to be a hairstylist. I
Oh,
never
okay.
wanted to be, and I wanted to be an actor. And मेरा ख्वाब था शुरू से शौक था कि I want to become an actor. And my father was very clever. When I was about to finish my school, तो उन्होंने मेरे को हल्के हल्के सलोन में बुलाना शुरू किया, थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट किया. And then एक ब्रेन वॉश किया जाता था मेरा, like हम we can be McDonald's of India once upon a time. We can do
Wow.
wonders. So if you go in movie line, the future will be for only for few years, 1 or 2 years. But in hairstyling, you can do wonders, and we can make a big brand, and we can work together. तो ऐसे करते करते वो ब्रेन वॉश करके then from actor I became a hairstylist. And I think the journey was very difficult for me because my father was very well known, and my sister, my cousin sister was very well known, and then my middle brother Parvez was very well known. उनके बीच में एक client मिलना was not so easy for me. And every year I used to go back to London and come back and start my journey again and again. But कभी भी वो सफलता नहीं मिल रही थी, कि where I can get my clients. But like I was working as a shampoo boy, I was working as a cleaner, but I was not getting my client. And काफी मेहनत करने के बाद, like the whole day I used to do blow dry, I was doing shampooing. So one day my father said, like, why don't you snatch my clients, so that client तेरे को पहचाने. So maybe till you are there, I don't think so I'll be getting any clients. So only what I can do, I can work on Tuesday because Tuesday used to be off for us. So if you're not there, so people won't ask about you. So maybe I'll be lucky to have a client. So almost for 2 months, there was not a single client even. मतलब हर Tuesday खाली जाता था, हर Tuesday खाली जाता था, and like it was such a difficult and such a disappointment for me that I wanted to go back to London again. And one fine Tuesday, like in the afternoon, I think I still remember the time was around 1:20, and an old lady entered, and she was a very old client of my dad. And I was shivering, like I don't think so I'll be able to do her hair. And you know who she was? She was Maharani Gayatri Devi. And हाथ कांप रहे थे, एंड ना मैंने उनके बाल शैम्पू किए, शैम्पू करने के बाद उनके बाल काटे, काटने के बाद आई थॉट मे बी शील से समथिंग और शील अप्रिशिएट समथिंग अबाउट मी. She came to the counter, she paid the money and she walked out. And then I thought, like, you are finished. You know, you got one client, which was dad's old client, and I think now my dad will be getting the complaint. And like, uske 2 महीने तक, like, I was waiting, and one day she came in the normal days. Then my father was there, and I did the shampoo, and like I said, like, today is my last day. My father will be scolding me. So I told my father, your client is waiting for the cut. And my father went over there and she said, can you call that same boy? I said, like, I had it. तो वो करते करते जब मैं घर के पहुंचा तो she said, can you do the same thing what you did last time? तो मैंने क्या किया था, उनके बाल को ब्लंट में काट के I did some texturizing so that she can create a volume, you know, which she was liking the most. So that's how I got the first victory, and then time came in like where I was making around 10,000 rupees on Tuesday, which was a very off day, and mostly in India people never go for a haircut on Tuesdays. So that was a victory point for me, and that's how I thought like maybe I can survive in India.
So that's been great and amazing. It's not just because you got it easy. Even you had to do the struggle, and you also had to work really hard to be where you are today. And I think it must have been an amazing experience cutting hair of one of the beauties of the world, Maharani Gayatri Devi, the royalty.
Yes.
And
Yes.
encouragement from her must have been really wonderful for you, for your career, I believe. And I think your father really inspired you, and as like all other fathers, do you think you took a right decision of being in the industry, or you still feel you should have been an actor?
I think beggars cannot be choosers. I think I am doing much better in my styling rather than being an actor. Because मैं कभी कोई झूठ बोलता तो बड़ी जल्दी पकड़ा जाता हूँ. So that's the worst thing what I can say, because एक एक्टर के अंदर आपके पास सारी खूबी होनी चाहिए, जो खूबी मेरे पास अभी नहीं है. And I think having a blessing of my father was a great blessing from the God. जिन्होंने हर वक्त में हर मोड़ पे मेरा साथ दिया, जहाँ मैं बहुत टूट गया था कि I want to go back, I can't survive in India. So he was the only person who said like, यार जब तक तू मेरे क्लाइंट नहीं छीनेगा, जब तक you can't survive, you know, you can't do much. And करते करते एक हुआ, दो हुआ, तीन हुआ, करते करते क्लाइंट बढ़ते गए. And then surviving between my brother and my even cousin sister was not so easy. बट हर आदमी को एक अपनी जगह बनानी पड़ती है, अपने एक टैलेंट को लेके चलना पड़ता है. हर आदमी को अपनी कला को दिखाना होता है. जब अपनी कला को दिखा तो पीपल स्टार्ट एप्रिशिएटिंग, एंड यू शुड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर. तो जब भी आपकी थोड़ी बहुत वैल्यू बनती है, देन आई थॉट लाइक मे बी आई कैन बी गुड इन केमिकल्स, यू नो. तो केमिकल में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडी किया, एंड वो मैंने किया था व्हेन पीपल नेवर न्यू अबाउट द कलर. सिर्फ एक ही कलर होता था, टू टोन गोदरेज यही कलर होते थे. फैशन कलर वाज नेवर देयर. हाइलाइट्स तो लोग जानते भी नहीं थे. सो दैट वाज द मोमेंट व्हेन माय फादर थॉट मे बी यू शुड डू केमिकल्स, बिकॉज आने वाले टाइम में आई थिंक केमिकल विल बी द राइट प्रोफेशन फॉर यू. एंड आई थिंक ही हैज टेकन अ राइट डिसीजन टू सेंड मी अब्रॉड टू गेट माय ट्रेनिंग इन केमिकल्स.
So I think this is a very good, suggestion for the audience, and a very good message that I think you should have something unique about, and also that you should specialize in whatever that you're doing, be it chemical work or be it hair cutting or whatever. I think that you have to have a unique style, and as well as a specialization in whatever that you choose to do. Other thing I would like to ask you, Amjad, that I have met your both daughters, beautiful kids. You have lovely kids, and I see them sometimes when I visit your salon for my own head. Been a loyal customer with you for many, many years. For
I know.
Everybody gets you, you know.
Right.
Even to come back to the same industry, or you would let them do what they want to do?
I think the way my father has given me a free hand, I think I've given free hand to my kids also. My son has already, like when he was in third, he has finished the basic knowledge of hair cutting. And my daughter, sometime whenever she is having off on Saturday and Sunday, she comes to the salon and she helps the staff members or me sometime. But she wants to do some law. You know, she wants to be more into education and she wants to do law. And my son basically अभी fixed-minded नहीं है अभी वो. But I'm sure like definitely वो खून पुकारेगा तो आएंगे, definitely आएंगे. But I've given a free hand. Whatever they want to do, they can. But we need definitely our new generation should be involved ताकि हम इस empire को आगे ले जा सके.
No, I think it comes naturally when you see it every day and when you're surrounded in that kind of an atmosphere. It comes naturally to the children, and I think it's in the genes as well. So somebody wants to
I think what I want to say is, Madhuri, I think the respect we should have towards our parents or elders. In our field, you know what we have learned, me, my two brothers, whenever our parents are saying something, we don't argue, you know, and हम उनको जवाब नहीं देते. And this is what they are learning. My kids are also learning the same way the Javed kids are learning, same way Parvez kids they learn. We don't argue in front of the parents. You know, whatever they say, वो हमारे betterment के लिए कहते हैं. कई बार क्या होता है हम जवान खून होते हैं तो हम argument बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं जबकि हमारे को अपनी औकात नहीं पता होती. And जो अच्छे critics होते हैं वो हमारे parents होते हैं, हमारे अच्छा भी जानते हैं, बुराई भी जानते हैं. And वो उनको पता है कि best part आप में से क्या निकालना है. So I think आज जो generation है, you know, they are running and they are not giving respect to the parents, you know, the elders. If they give it, I think they can do much better than us. This is what I personally feel.
very, very good message again to the audience that of course we should respect our parents and not argue with them, which is lacking in the society as of now in these days because of the culture. I don't know. And I'm sure, I mean, definitely your children are very well brought up, I must say, well cultivated. That's how everybody should be. Respect your elders.
Sometimes my son says, you know, आप दादा के सामने बोलते नहीं हो, बिल्कुल चुप होके सर झुका के खड़े हो जाते हैं. मैं कहता this is the way we should do.
And yeah, we are the role models for our children actually, definitely, and especially your sons. If the father, the child becomes, so definitely they're getting good message from you. And there's a question from, how do you get this salt and pepper look?
Salt and pepper means like your experience, you know, like मेरा बहुत शौक था when I was 18 and 19 कि I should have salt and pepper और उस समय इतने chemicals नहीं आते थे. We used to get a color जहाँ वो pale yellow पे जाके रुक जाते थे. Now there are so many chemicals, new chemicals have come which can give you a whitish look. But I think whatever comes in, it comes naturally and I think उसका हमें welcome करना चाहिए. Natural means our own experience and our own age factor which we should always give the respect, you know. कि अब age factor आ गया हमारे सफेद बाल हो गए. So let's take it nicely and let's welcome salt and pepper. I think leave it everything on experience and your age factor.
Right, and age beautifully and gracefully for sure, which you all.
Gracefully.
He is like maintaining it very nicely. When I see the Javed, when I see Parvez, and of course you and Mr. Habib, all of you have been to maintain and look young and stay young forever and maintain. So
me and my father always have an argument. My father always tell me like I color my hair every day. Why don't you color your hair? Because but that's the way I like it. The salt and pepper I like it. So I think he is giving that space. Okay, whatever your liking is, you should go with your liking. I think.
About you, that's you. You know, everyone is unique. And there's a question from Sunita. She wants to know perming hair. About perming hair, is it good to perm your hair?
I think perming your hair is never harmful, but it depends the person who is doing it, how much experience the person has it, and whether the person can understand your hair is very important. If the timing goes half, so it can destroy your hair. If the timing goes less, the perm will never be there. So I think the person who is doing it, the person should have a good experience of perming.
To tell something about that Habib Hair and Beauty, the salon brand is offshoot of the world-renowned Habib group of companies, and company was founded with a vision to emerge as a leader through quality products, customer satisfaction, as well as continual improvement through business automation and process. And I am a live example of that. I've been a loyal customer and I can vouch for it, for your quality and all these things that we are telling about the company. So if you can tell something about the company as well.
I think I'll tell you one thing. Habib's basically was basically my father's name. And when we joined together, my name was Amjad Ali, Parvez name was Parvez Akhtar, Javed was name was Javed Akhtar, you know. But when we joined together and when we started working together, we started working for the quality and for the education. Education means whatever the education, what we got it from abroad, we are giving the same kind of education and never work for commercial basis. Commercial basis selling the, the product, selling your, ethics, which if you see most of the salons now they are doing it, they are basically depending more on products. The salary is less and the commission base wise is much more higher. Hubbies never work with the commission basis. We work for the quality. If your work is good, people will come to you. People will come for your values, will come for your work. But if you see today, if you see the salons with good brands and I think they are working for the commission basis. And we are not allowed to do that. And आज एक बात की खुशी होती है जितने बड़े बड़े ब्रांड काम कर रहे हैं, नए नए ब्रांड्स आए हैं, वहाँ पे हर दूसरा बंदा is being trained by Habibs, which is always keeping the quality and the brand name, which I feel happy, which my father taught me, and all three brothers, we thought in the same way. We never go for money. Even if somebody comes after 15 years to meet us, we'll always meet and tell them whatever you want to know more, you can contact us on the phone, which is we have maintained for last so many years.
Very nice. That's awesome. And there's a question from Lalit that how to help excessive hair fall.
I think it depends if you're using the wrong kind of shampoo also, that makes your hair fall. If you use the right kind of shampoo, it will never harm your hair. If you got oily hair, try to use the oily hair. But if a gent is washing quite regularly, we should go with something milder shampoo. जैसे कोई बच्चे का shampoo लेके wash it with a milder shampoo and wash it frequently every day also. That won't harm your hair. Now, if you're taking wrong kind of water also, even then again you'll have a hair fall. So what you should understand whether you have a hard water or soft water. If you are having hard water, try to go with mineral water, which we have in the taps, like in the in the kitchen. We can wash it with that, so that will reduce a lot.
Okay, great.
And if you want to take if you want to take some kind of like intake, पीली मूंग की दाल होती है, you can boil it, put salt and pepper, take as a medicine, which will help you a lot. वो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर बाइटन बढ़ाएगी, बाइटन से आपके ना नाखून टूटेंगे ना आपके बाल गिरेंगे.
Wonderful, perfect. And Arjun wants to know which is the best sulfate-free shampoo in the market.
I think can I take the name of a brand? I'm allowed. This is technical. I think sulfate-free shampoo is very well with L'Oreal also, with Bella also. So you can take that. And even L'Oreal Matrix has it very good. One Shopscos have it very good shampoos. So, but then you have to you have to understand, if I'm using this kind of shampoo, the water has to be softer. You can't use the hard water. Most of the people, they always use it because of hard water, and they have to understand that.
So, as for with the hard water, it's better to use some baby shampoos or something like that, baby products.
Yeah, the pH balance of the baby shampoo is much more milder. So we are not using that kind of the chemicals which are harming your hair or maybe your skin. That's why we always say try to go with the milder, which is meant for baby hair, baby skin, something like that.
Right. Also, Amjad, I would like to ask about your academy, which is like scientific and systematic training to the aspirants wishing to pursue a career in cosmetology, providing them jobs, manpower, to the ever-increasing number of in-house salons. So if you can tell something about your academy to the audience.
I think Madhuri, let's understand ये industry क्या है. ये industry 36,000 crore की industry है, which is second largest after the food. ठीक है. Every year everybody will get a chance to work, but only understand there is no shortcut. You have to learn the basics right from holding the scissor and how to hold a comb, and then how to deal with the clients. We always teach how to talk to the clients also, but there is no shortcut. काफी लोग हमारे पास आते हैं, हमें एडवांस सीखना है. पूरे वर्ल्ड में आज तक कोई एडवांस नहीं है. If you see 80s, 90s, जो फैशन उस टाइम चल रहा था वो रिपीट कर रहा है. So there is no advanced levels. Advanced level क्या होता है? हमारा तजुर्बा advanced level का होता है कि how you can make the cut more faster and learn the basics. If you know the basic, your basic is very strong, you can do wonders. But if your basic is not strong, you cannot do much. जो बेसिक जिसका स्ट्रांग होएगा वो सर्वाइव करेगा, जिसका बेसिक स्ट्रांग नहीं होएगा वो बहुत लंबा नहीं जाएगा, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए रहेगा. So this is what we teach in our academy. learn the basic and then try to give few years and then think this is because abhi world ke andar there are 3 kind of cut. One length, all over steps, limited steps. एक को 2 के साथ बनाओ, 2 को 3 के साथ बनाओ, तो it'll be a different cut. But what is advanced? Nothing advanced. How to frame the face is very important. ये नहीं किसी क्लाइंट ने बोला कि आप फ्रंट का इतना रख दीजिए, बैक का इतना रख दीजिए. अगर उसने बताया कि फ्रंट का इतना काटना, बैक का इतना काटना, तो मेरे पास आके why you paying me so much money? Cut on your own. But when you come to us, our academy teaches what kind of pace she has it, what kind of hair texture she has it, and what kind of personality she is, whether she's a lazy person, whether she can cope with the hair. So this is what you have to learn your nature also when we are giving a hairstyle. So if you can't do a blow dry, if you can't set your hair, then what's the point of advanced levels? So basic levels you have to understand how to hold your comb, how to hold your brush, and where is your parting, how to do a parting. If you remember बहुत साल पहले 10 साल पहले की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, अब तो काफी ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया कि माँ ने एक पार्टिंग निकाली थी बचपन में, बाप की आज तक वही पार्टिंग चल रही है. क्या वो पार्टिंग है या नहीं है, बट माँ ने निकाली वही पार्टिंग चल रही है. Now revolution says like what kind of face structure you have it, where to give the volume, where to give decrease the volume. Everything is the mirror, and mirror speaks the truth.
Absolutely. And of course, you have the mastery on that, and that's why you make people look more beautiful than what they are already. And there are a lot of questions that people want to ask. Any ritual in summers for hair fall?
I think one should, always go for a regular wash with a mild shampoo. And so many herbs are there in the kitchen what we can use for summer like पुदीने का अगर जूस हम लगाते हैं बालों पे, people who got oily hair, and if you apply it and leave it for 50 minutes and simple rinse it, तो आपके oil glands को काफी देर तक वो रोक के रखता है ना, आपका oil इतनी जल्दी नहीं निकलता. हाँ, इस गर्मी के अंदर अगर जिसके बाल ड्राई है, बाल काफी porous रहते हैं, काफी ड्राई रहते हैं, and if you can take out apple juice and apply it in your hair and leave it for 50 minutes and simple rinse, तो आपके बालों को protect करके रखता है, coating करके रखता है, plus it gives a softness to your hair. This is what you can do from the kitchen. Now, if you feel like you're losing hair, it means you're not using the right kind of shampoo, or maybe you're not understanding why you're losing the hair. If you understand why you're losing the hair, so I think you can do the right treatment. Shampoo is the first priority, the water and the food what you take intake. Most of the people in India, we don't take a lot of water, which is one of the harmless thing, and which is harming the whole body, the whole system. And relax yourself, you can't do much. हिंदुस्तान में क्या हो रहा है, पॉलिटिक्स में क्या हो रहा है, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, उसके बारे में सोचना या बोलना बेकार होता है. The best way is to enjoy yourself, enjoy your work, and enjoy your friendship, and enjoy your family. I think this is what I understand. Madhu, I'm not getting your sound. Hello? I can't hear you, Madhuri. No. Hello? Hello? Yeah, got it.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I'm just saying hi to Dipali, hi to Dr. Kunjal and Mitu Toteja. They have some questions. I think Dipali wants to know that is oiling important? How important is oiling for hair?
I think in doing oiling, I don't think so. I think I always say it's a myth. It's a waste of time, waste of money. Because पहले क्या होता था, oil लगाने से क्या होता था, you used to do a lot of hard work and homework with your hair. आप 1-1.5 घंटा लगाते थे, आज की तारीख में nobody has time. तो पहले दादी नानी जो होती थी आपके बालों में तेल लगवाती थी, आपको स्टीम टावल लगवाती थी, आप बालों को मसाज करते थे. आई थिंक जो आप ऑयल लगाते हैं, जब आप उसकी मसाज करते हो, मसाज से सर्कुलेशन जो ब्लड की होती है, दैट हेल्प्स यू आउट फॉर गुड हेयर एंड विद योर गुड स्किन. बट ऑयल डजंट हेल्प यू आउट एनीवेयर. But if you go before going to bed, if you go to bed with a dry massage, with a circular movement in your hair, which will give you good sleep, you'll have a good hair, you'll have a good skin. This is the myth, I think, what people used to do it.
I think we should have had one been only a question answer session because there is more about you that I want to, for the people to know. But then before that, there's a question from Neha. She wants to know, is shampooing your hair every day harmful?
No, if you do with a milder shampoo and a correct kind of water, it's never harmful.
To know that as well.
Yeah. I'm not getting your voice. What you said?
She wants to know about the solution for limp hair.
Limp hair, like you can, once in a week, you can take some lime juice and apply it in your hair and leave it for 50 minutes and simple rinse it. So whatever you have limp hair, it'll give you volume. But if you go to a salon and, they have a perm lotion. So if you apply the perm lotion for 5 minutes and simple rinse it after that, so your hair won't be limp at least for, you can say, for almost 1 month, which will give you good volume.
Great, perfect. And now, Amjad, I would also like to know about the philanthropic work. You're giving free education to underprivileged children of the society and set up a beauty academy at Tihar Jail in Delhi. All youth made history. Also, you're associated with Kiran Bedi's charitable youth skilling initiative for years. If you can throw some light on that and tell the audience about that.
I think commercial angle हमने बहुत कर लिया like we have academies all over India. We have the academy. Now जो हमारे पास नहीं आ सकते, जो हमारे को नहीं समझ पाते, and एक circumstances में गिरे पड़े, एक situation में ऐसे गिरे पड़े, where they can't do much. जैसे हम तिहाड़ जेल की बात कर रहे हैं, अगर उनको हम एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट देते बाहर आने के बाद, उनको एक स्किल देते हैं, तो उनको एक रोजगार मिल जाता है. अगर आप देखिए 5 से 10 हज़ार रुपए कमाते हैं, बट अगर वो क्वालिफाइड हो जाते हैं तो उनकी सैलरी 20 से 25 या 30 हज़ार रुपए जाती है. I think when we thought about it, it was my idea to do something for the society, and my father was doing it. But my thing was, let's go to people who can't come to us. So, I went to Tihar Jail. Tihar Jail, I started doing in jail number 6 and jail number 2. Where I started training, like I was giving the training in makeup, I was giving training in cutting, I was giving training in makeup. And even in facials. उस दौरान में जो कट का प्राइस होता है 10 रुपये होता था. आफ्टर द ट्रेनिंग दे वर चार्जिंग अराउंड 100 रुपीज या 75 रुपीज के करीब दे वर चार्जिंग. सो स्किल वाज इम्प्रूव्ड एंड पीपल वर गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू द प्रोफेशन. एंड ओवर देयर आई मेट किरण बेदी. शी सेड अमजद तू मेरे साथ कुछ करना चाहता है? आई सेड मैम टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट. कहती है वी गॉट सर्टेन लाइक अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड किड्स वी हैव एंड स्लम एरिया का कुछ पार्ट है. If you can train them, we can work together. मैं कहा मैम any time, because उनके लिए मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता हूँ. So I said any time, whenever you call me, I'll be there. And I think after 24 hours, I got a call from her, NGO. Ma'am must have spoken to you, and can we meet and talk? And I think, मैं कहा what's the point in meeting? We can talk on the phone and we can just go ahead with that. That's how we started. And I think वहाँ पे जो जिनके पास एक जरिया नहीं है, रोजगार नहीं है, एक छोटे से 5-10 हज़ार रुपए से they can start a small salon and they can set up and they can make a living of 50,000 to 60,000 rupees, which is good enough in a slum area.
That you are doing and giving back to society. So that's really nice. And also there's a question by Lata Pal that use.
I didn't get you because voice was cracking. Yes, what you said?
Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah. So because I think I get muted when I'm talking, when you are talking, because then it comes better the network. So there is a question from what is correct to use?
I think correct water is जिसमें नमक ज़्यादा हो, salt ज़्यादा हो, which is that is more harmful. Ground water जो ज़्यादा खारा ना हो, which is very good. And अगर हम मिनरल वाटर इस्तेमाल करते हैं या बिस्लरी वाटर इस्तेमाल करते हैं या हमारे आरओ का पानी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, that is suitable to our hair and as well as the skin. हाँ, but during summer and during winter, in summer we should not go with the cold water, and in winter we should not go with lot of hot water. Whenever we should wash our hair and the skin, when we are taking shower, we should always go with lukewarm water, whether it's winter or it's summer. We should not go for the extreme. Yes, we should not go with extreme hot and extreme cold. because हमारा जो हमारे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होता है, that has to adjust with the chemical what we are applying.
Another question from Neha: is henna good for your hair?
Yes, definitely. It's very good for hair, depending for what purpose you're using. If you're using for conditioning, you can mix with raw milk and apply it and leave it for 1 hour and simple rinse it. But if you're using for color, you can mix with red wine also. You can add some coffee in it, and you can leave it as much as you can. Keep it 8 hours, 9 hours, and simple rinse it because it doesn't have any chemical. But it depends what is the percentage of the hair you have.
So I'm sure the audience is getting some great tips and advice from Amjad Habib right here with us. And he's also been active in numerous fashion shows and advises celebrities on their latest hairstyling and makeup trends on social media. Conducts grooming classes at the News Studios and is closely associated with Times of India newspaper annual youth talent hunt for years. And by the way, thanks to you, Amjad, many years back, my first press coverage that came in the national newspapers, Times, Delhi Times, was actually at your salon when you were doing my haircut. It got
I know.
I
still remember that. I still remember that.
About you
and I think you got the. I think still you have the coverage of that.
Yeah, even I have it with me, so I kind of
right.
Preserved it. So if you about your Times of India newspaper annual youth talent hunt, that you've been doing
right.
for so.
I think it came more of a surprise, to me. Like there was, I was doing some hairstylists for cricketers and I think, and the crowd, the photographers and the reporters, they were following me. And I was doing for Ishant Sharma, Suresh Raina, like everybody. I was doing for makeovers for them. And suddenly somebody asked me, like, senior, editor want to talk to you. Okay. I spoke to he said, I want to see the makeover. I don't want to show roller laga diya, ye kar diya, wo kar diya. Then, if you are talking about that level, so publicity cannot come in like, in half a page or maybe छोटे से पेज में आपने दे दिया मेकअप ये हुआ है और ये कर दिया. Then we should describe हमने इसका मेकअप ऐसा क्यों किया, हमने इसको ऐसे हेयर स्टाइल क्यों दिया, बट हमारे को काटने का मौका दिया जाए. ये नहीं कि मतलब कि आप किसी ने बोला हमारे लंबे बाल है आप इसी को कुछ कर दीजिए. Makeover means makeover, and he said I'll give you free hand, and we want to like उसमें वो जैसे भी आएगा we'll do it. And then if you have seen the newspaper, they have mentioned why we have done this kind of makeup, why have done the eye makeup this way, and why we have taken a short haircut, why we have taken a long haircut. So we were explaining what are the faces, what is the skin tone, and after the skin tone, what kind of makeup should go with them. And this is what we explained. And every year it was improving. Finally, it was taken over by, I think, some multinational company. But idea and the team was very great. And I think it came for 7 years. And every day it used to come for 7 days. Sometimes the page was full. Sometimes it used to be half page. And I think that's how they have explained and defined the things what I wanted to show. And then when we talk about celebrities and the movies, I think a lot of movies were happening in North. They were shifting from Bombay to Delhi, and Delhi mein Pyar Ka Panchnama happened, BA Path happened, and they asked me. I said like, shift won't be a big problem because Bombay ke people, अगर वो बोलते 8 घंटे के shift 8 घंटे का होता है. With me, shifting was not a problem. Like अगर 8 घंटे की 12 घंटे भी हो जाएगा चलेगा. But then we should get a free hand to work. And I think they trusted us and they have given a free hand. And I think जो हमने प्यार का पंचनामा में आप स्टाइलिंग देखोगे, इवन बैकग्राउंड देखोगे, तो एवरीथिंग वाज टोटली डिफरेंट. जो कि बॉलीवुड में डिफरेंट चलती थी, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट चलती थी. एंड आई थिंक जब मैं वापस आया था एंड जब मैं बॉलीवुड को देखता था, अमिताभ का बाप में भी सेम था हेयर स्टाइल, बेटे में भी सेम हेयर स्टाइल था. कोई वो मॉडल दिखाते थे, सिर्फ उसके कपड़े चेंज हो जाते थे बट हेयर स्टाइल सेम होता था. And I used to feel some way, यार ये क्या हो रहा है? This is not the way the styling is supposed to be. Then a movie came in, the दिल चाहता है, जहाँ पे they went with the character के कितनी age कम करनी है, and the thought was given by Rishikesh Mukherjee to me when I was in Manali, and they were shooting for Jhoot Bole Kaua Kaate with Anil Kapoor and Juhi Chawla, and he came to know I was in Manali, so he called me up on the set. I went over there and he said like अनिल कपूर को मेरे को यंगर दिखाना है एंड उसको कैसे करा जा सकता है. तो मैं कहा सर वैसे बेसिकली हिज हेयर इज वेरी लॉन्ग फ्रॉम द टॉप एंड अगर जो मुस्टैच है उसको थोड़ा सा हम हल्का करके एंड टॉप को थोड़ा छोटा काटेंगे, इट विल गिव एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 years younger. तो ही कॉल्ड अप अनिल कपूर, है अमजद क्या बोलता है, सुनो सुनो अमजद क्या बोलता है. तो ही लिसन टू मी, अनिल कपूर ने मेरी बात सुनी. मैं कहा सर ऐसा है कि इफ यू कट द टॉप टेल विद शॉर्टर दैट गिव यू यंगर लुक. एंड वेरी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, उनकी मॉर्निंग की शिफ्ट थी जहाँ पे शूट करना था एक गाने को. So Anil Kapoor said like, what are you doing in the evening? I'm just mega nothing much. So he said, can you come to my hotel? I said, okay. I went over there. I did the hair styling, and very next morning I think 5 day का shoot था, and he was looking much more younger, and that's how my the journey started with the movies, you know.
Yeah, so it's not just the filters and the photoshops on the apps that can make you younger, but also on
No. See, Madhvi, if I say something, it has to have a logic and a theory behind that. If I'm saying making shorter means why? If I'm saying change the color, it means for some reasons, and there has to be a theory part of it, and that's how it works. But when we talk about even APJ Abdul Kalam also, it was a big question on the media, in the parliament, whether he will change his look or not. So I was the first person to say he won't change his look. Where it was covered by BBC and other international channels, and I think they covered it. And I said it's a rockstar look. And if you remember, till he died, he never changed his look. He was having the same look, which was giving an elegant look. उनकी एक personality को define किया था उस हेयर ने. अगर front का portion देखो तो एक चांद गिरता था, and he was known as a moon man.
Right.
And if I remember one more shoot with you, you came to Lodi Hotel and he was sitting over there for a haircut. You remember?
I can't. Maybe.
You came to Lodi Hotel and he was sitting next to you, and मैंने उनके बाल काटे, और आप उनके बाल कटने के बाद you said, can I have the same look? You don't remember? This was when he was about to be president of India. He came to the salon and you were there with your friend. मेरे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. Your best friend. सुषमा के साथ. And उस टाइम तुमने भी सेम हेयर स्टाइल करवाया था. What he was carrying. See, मेरी memories इतनी sharp है.
Sharper than mine for sure. Good to know that. So fortunate and privileged to be doing hairstyles for Brighton Day, to Anil Kapoor, to APJ Abdul Kalam ji. I mean, really great work, I must say. And there's a question from the audience again. Who's your favorite personality? Whose hair you would like to do?
Living on this earth or in present you want to do?
Anybody, I think. Your favorite?
My favorite, if I want to change somebody's looks, is आजकल की जितनी एक्ट्रेस आ रही हैं, I want to change their look because आज तक उनका सबका एक ही कट है और सबका एक ही लुक है. If you see जितनी एक्ट्रेस आ रही हैं, कृति है, जितनी भी एक्ट्रेस आ रही हैं, I think everybody is having the same common look. Nothing changed. If you talk about 90s, everybody was having a different look. But आज की तारीख में they are keeping long hair. वो चाहे सूट कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, but they're loving it, they're having it. So I love to do that. And if I want to do there's a director रामलीला के जो डायरेक्टर हैं, क्या मेरे को नाम याद नहीं आ रहा उनका. I want to do his hair once. He got very nice salt and pepper. He has a lot of good hair, and I want to style it in such a way where he look classy and he look more elegant.
Right. Maybe the message reaches to him and soon he gets to know that you're doing his hairstyle as well.
Madhvi, I'll tell you one thing. You know how I reach to my clients. जैसे आपने ये सवाल पूछा कि आप किसका करना चाहते हो. अगर मैं एक सोच रखता हूँ, मैं एक उम्मीद रखता हूँ, मैं एक सोचता हूँ कि मेरे को इसके बाल काटने हैं, एंड वो जरिया बनता है. जैसे मेरे किसी क्लाइंट को पता चला, वो उसको जानता है, वो मेरी मीटिंग करवाते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंस. ऐसे ही मैंने ईशांत शर्मा के बारे में सोचा. IPL 1 से पहले जब वो ही केम टू मी, सुरेश रैना, गौतम गंभीर, आकाश चोपड़ा, यू नो दे केम. एक ख्वाब था कि मेरे को उनके बाल सोचने, तो वो हफ्ते 15 दिन के अंदर वो एक जरिया बन जाता था कि वो मतलब कि एक लिंक बन जाता था. वी यूज्ड टू डू इट. तो मैं हर आदमी को ये कहता हूँ कि ख्वाब देखना मत सोचो, मतलब जो आज सोचते हो करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक ख्वाब जरूर देखो एंड ख्वाब हकीकत जरूर लेके आता है if you work on that.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think the universe conspired. The universe conspired.
अगर शाहरुख खान का एक डायलॉग था ना कि मतलब कि अगर आप किसी को इतना चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात लग जाती है उसको मिलवाने में, तो ये हकीकत है. अगर आप सच्चे मन से श्रद्धा से अगर आप उसको चाहने लगते हो या मानने लगते हो तो दुनिया और खुदा भगवान उसको मिलाने में लग जाता है.
True, absolutely. And for the audience, the clientele at Amjad's includes the who's who of the fashion and sports world. His most notable and illustrious client was late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, for 13 years, as he just mentioned. And he has created history till today with the Delhi Times for students of all university makeovers for 7 years, full page and half page for 5 to 7 days covered, right?
Yeah. And I was number 2 celebrity list who was topmost known for that month. Complete year में जो सबसे ज़्यादा वो अखबारों में छाया रहा, that was me on second number. First was Gautam Gambhir, second was me.
Cricketers like Ishant Sharma, Gautam Gambhir you just mentioned, and Suresh Raina, Sabha Kareem, Akash Chopra, actor Anil Kapoor, and many more. Makeover for Vinayak Singh and sir.
Sara Chi Subhuta Rai also his makeover was done by me.
Okay, wonderful. And there's another question from the audience that what is the solution for dandruff? How to cure dandruff?
I think dandruff is a bacterial disease which is attached with the skin. 90% लोगों को पता नहीं होता dandruff है क्या. हल्का सा dryness होती है, they feel it's a dandruff. Dandruff वो नहीं होता. Dandruff का मतलब होता है if somebody is attached with the skin, अगर आप हल्का सा खुजाते हो तो blood comes out. And it's attached with the skin. तो उसके लिए best solution क्या होता है जो I recommend to my clients also, take aftershave lotion, dilute with water. 50% should be like aftershave, and 50% should be water. With the help of cotton, rub it on the scalp and simple rinse it. Do it every week, then once in a 15 days, and then once in a month. So your bacteria goes off. But people 90% उनके बालों में dryness रहती है, and they feel it's dandruff. But वो dandruff नहीं है. That's a dryness. Dryness के लिए you have to wash it very frequently with a milder shampoo. And not to use any anti-dandruff shampoo, because if you use any anti-dandruff shampoos, you start losing the hair, but you don't know why you're losing it. आपने ऐड सुना होगा all clear. When you apply it, all clear, it becomes all clear.
Yeah, wonderful, great advice. And if I may ask you, how many salons are there by now of Habib's all over the country? I think India and abroad as well. You mentioned in Dubai.
I think till now it's one of the largest chains in the world right now. My brother has around almost like 500 salons. My father has around 110 salons. I've got 16. So altogether, if you count, it's more than 600 salons, which is one of the largest chain in the world.
Wonderful. And also there's a question again that what are the latest hairstyle trends?
I think there's nothing latest. What suits you? What's your mood, and if you fit with that, that's the latest. You should frame your face.
Yeah. Any advice to the newcomers who want to get into the industry?
Have patience. Learn your basics. Have basic knowledge of your education, and try to listen to your instructors. If they are saying you have to work on one particular cut for at least 15 days, keep on doing. Because the way you practice, you'll become more perfect. And the instructors only knows how to take out the good work about you. So have patience, listen to your elders, and stick to your basics. Don't jump with the advanced level. There is nothing advanced. You have to understand, अगर बेसिक की तमीज होगी, एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, बड़ा होता है, हल्के चलना शुरू होता है, फिर थोड़ा दौड़ना करता है, फिर भागता है. अगर वो शुरू में भागने लगेगा तो गिरेगा. और आपने देखा होगा जो बच्चा जल्दी भागने की कोशिश करता है गिरता है. तो किसी भी फील्ड में हो, चाहे वो हिस्सारी में हो, किसी भी फील्ड में हो, start, have patience and go slowly and gradually. When you spend time and give your basic में बहुत अच्छा टाइम दोगे, आप कभी भी मार नहीं खाओगे जिंदगी में.
Must say, enjoy the journey and not just reach to the destination and hurry and rush to the destination. Just go slow and specialize and be perfect in what you're doing. enjoy the journey.
Slow and steady to win the race. You know, it's always there. बड़े बुजुर्गों ने अगर ये कहावत बोली इसलिए नहीं बोली, उसके पीछे लॉजिक है.
True. And Amjad, how do you see the scenario of beauty and hair at the moment? Like, you know, we are all in lockdown. So what is what do you have to say about that?
ये जिस हिसाब से इंडस्ट्री ग्रो हो रही थी, जिस हिसाब से हर आदमी खोल रहा था सैलून, हर आदमी मेकअप करना शुरू कर देता. बट विद दिस स्टेजेस में वो कहते हैं छटना हुआ. अब व्हाट विल हैपन, लाइक जो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते, जो आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे, दिल बी आउट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. जो सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे, बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स बंद हो गए बिकॉज दे वर डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लोकल्स, और लोकल मीन्स द हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, द टेक्नीशियंस. नाउ people who will survive in this industry, or they'll run the salon, people who are trained, who are qualified, they will only survive. And if they can invest, because जो वो एक किट इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, खर्चा कर रहे हैं, तो they have to take out from the client's pocket. If the client is willing to pay, or they want to come back, so they can survive. Otherwise, it's very difficult to survive in this field now. अच्छे बुरे की तमीज हो जाएगी सब में.
Right, true. And how do you see the future? Like, this is the current scenario that you told us. ऐसा होगा आगे का, like what is the?
I think जो हमारी 36,000 करोड़ की इंडस्ट्री है, every year it's improving 18 to 23%. The improvement will be now around 20%, but skills, hygienic condition will be much more higher, which you can compare with the international standards. अभी तक नहीं था, but इसके बाद it will be with the international standards, and whatever, even if you see the multinationals, they are investing in India. When we talk about L'Oreal, Bella, Schwarzkopf, and other, that's the best company, because the future is in India. But we were not having the technical standard, or we were not maintaining the hygienic conditions. But with this situation, the first priority will be hygienic condition, and logically, health has to be clean and nice.
Actually, for good, I think it's going to be ultimately probably for good. Long term.
Even restaurants also, even in food industry, आप जितना हाइजीनिक रखोगे उतना सवाल करोगे. और आदमी में अवेयरनेस आ गई है, अब हर आदमी में एक अवेयरनेस आ गई है, and people knows what they want.
Absolutely, yeah. More aware citizens, yes, for sure. And Amjad, as you know, the program is about Mavri'sLuxury.co. I would like to know the definition of luxury according to you. I mean, you've been with some most luxurious clients, I must say, from royalty, Gayatri Devi, to Anil Kapoor from the film industry, cricketers, also. So
I think what I can say about luxury, and I think luxury means it's a dream. And but since I know you so well for last so many years, I come to your office also when you come to the salon. I think what I feel is, if you're nice and down to earth, and if you got एक अच्छा सोच है अच्छे बुरे की जानने के लिए और उसको समझने के लिए, आई थिंक दैट बिकम्स लग्जरी. लग्जरी का मतलब पैसा फेंकने से लग्जरी नहीं है. लग्जरी का मतलब व्हाट सूट्स यू इज इम्पोर्टेंट. दिस इज व्हाट आई परसीव. अगर एक कहते हैं गुची का सूट पहन रखा है और गुची के बाद उसने पान खा रखा है, तो गुची क्या करेगा इसमें? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो लग्जरी कम्स लाइक व्हेन आई सी यू, you talk about luxury, but you listen to people. उसकी सोच क्या है. लग्जरी का मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं जो कह रही हूँ वो सही है. You understand them very well. अब if I talk about गायत्री देवी also, like ऊपर से वो लग्जरी है, बट अगर उनके घर जाओगे तो सोफा भी टूटा पड़ा है, बट वो लग्जरी नहीं है. बट हम अपने आप को ऐसे बना देते हैं लग्जरी आइटम के अंदर या लग्जरी चीज के अंदर. What I have learned from your definition, like when I come to your office, कि लग्जरी means like thought even has to be luxury. वो डिफाइन अच्छी तरीके से होना चाहिए और एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, which I learned from you when I come to your office.
Yes, I mean, I'm really flattered, and thank you for such a big coming from you means a lot. Thank you, Amjad, so much. And a message to the audience on COVID, and you would like to give?
I think have a distance, keep your distance, be away, give yourself time, try to do exercise. People who are lazy, who doesn't do any exercise, who are not bothered about their health, I think what I can say, if your life is there, you can have wonder of this world. If you don't have any life or you don't have a good health, इस दुनिया के मजे और पैसे से कोई मतलब नहीं होएगा. According to me, what I've learned, in 3 months, जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ को नहीं दिया था, आपको डायबिटीज, जो मैंने अपनी बॉडी को आराम नहीं दिया था, मैंने आराम दिया है कि
खुदा भी कहता है कि भाई अपने जिस्म के बारे में सोचो, अपने मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में सोचो। और जब आप सोचोगे फ्यूचर कहीं पे भी नहीं जा रहा, कोई कहीं नहीं भाग रहा, बिजनेस कहीं नहीं जा रहा, पैसा दौलत कुछ नहीं करेगा, अगर हेल्थ है तो वो हेल्थ है। दिस इज व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील।
Just as Modi ji has said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." And it's been a pleasure and honor hosting you, Amjad, here on this show. And thank you so much for taking out your precious time. And you come out as a really humble, honest, noble soul with a lot of values. And also you're doing such great work for giving back to society. So very few people you come across like that. And it's a pleasure to host you on the show. Thank you. Thank you so much.
बोलिए, अच्छा बोल रहे होगे, आवाज नहीं आ रही फिर भी अच्छा बोल रहे हो। थैंक यू सो मच। And it was nice chatting with you, and it was nice experience sharing my knowledge to people who were asking for help, which I try to do. If they have any questions, you can ask you anytime. You can revert back to me. I'll definitely answer you.
Maybe we could have a second, second talk show, which would be just a question answers. The audience can ask us the questions,
Hello?
Yeah, I said next time we could just do a question answer session with the audience.
Definitely, we can keep that. We can keep regarding the chemicals, because and deciding about the hair color, which is one of the best subject I can say. We'll talk on that.
Sure, I think that would be wonderful. And have a great evening.
Thank you, and you too.
Yeah. So thank you guys for being here on MahavisLuxury.co. I hope you enjoyed this session thoroughly as much as I enjoyed. You can watch my talk shows on YouTube in case if you miss any of these. These are very, very interesting, so not to be missed. Though I would suggest be here every day. And the show is powered and supported by Padma Shri artist Krishnakan IG, Sari Sanskriti by Salma Sultan, Nora Brand USA by international designer Aisha Khanna, and Trump Towers and Godrej. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.